Whoop. 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 Nope. Yeah, you guys remember that from like 1993 or something? Probably a good amount of you weren't born before then. So, good intro, SB Mitch. Why did I just call myself SB Mitch? I'm terrible at this. I don't know why you guys watch. Boredom? Hi, welcome to the channel. Here's social stuff if you want to follow that. You can also subscribe to the channel, and that's basically it. Hi, pals. Before we get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Tristan. He sent over a shirt, his own brand that he's starting called Unheralded. I don't know if you can see the right there. He's got the logo on the front right breast and the entire back. I don't know if it's in frame, but hey, whatever. You can see on my massive back the entire design, which I think is pretty cool. I'm gonna link his channel in the video description so you can check out his channel. Tristan, thank you seriously so much. Check him out. He does a lot of like Chinatown Market stuff. He's a huge Derrick Rose fan too. He wrote a really nice note with it too. Like it actually was very touching. So seriously, thank you. I'm not doing this as a plug. This is because he was just super nice and it was something that really hit home with me. So onto the shoe. Today we are reviewing a shoe that when I first saw official images for, I was extremely excited. It's been no secret that I am a big fan of mismatched shoes, and it's been no secret that Nike is putting out mismatched shoes every 3 days, it seems. So why not put focus on another mismatched release? This is the Nike Dunk Low SE, which stands for Special Edition. This is the FREE-99 Dunk Low. Now, when I say mismatched, it's because they are mismatched, as you can tell. These give me big eBay Dunk vibes. If you guys remember the episode of Canada Got Soul's True to Size podcast that I was on, and the YouTube series Stacks, I talked about these because it's a shoe I'm looking very much forward to. So let's take a closer look at the details on this Dunk Low SE FREE-99. It's a completely leather shoe. You have a canvas tongue, which is a little bit fatter. I will tell you guys right now, if you want to see a really good review of this shoe, go to my dude Tony Diamond's page, Anthony Levine. He's a very great shoe reviewer. He does a really good and probably better in-depth review of this shoe. And his review of these made me pull the trigger on it, I'm gonna be honest. The entire upper is leather. It's got a canvas tongue. You saw the details on the insole. It does come with secondary laces, these white laces with multicolored aglets on it, which is really cool. The stock laces that are on here, it's the yellow on the yellow with the eyelets. and green on green with the eyelets. I'm probably gonna switch them because I think it's just better to make them look as crazy as possible. Quality on these is pretty good. It is an SE, so it's better quality than the Dunk Low Retros that have been coming out, but it's not like mind-blowing. Again, it's a $100, $110 shoe, so you can't expect like Kentucky or like St. John's Dunk Low type quality. Still good though. The release on these has been kind of all over the place. There is another shoe from this pack that has more pastel color blocking with a black vamp side panel and ankle. I prefer this colorway a lot more because it does provide more contrast, but those are scheduled to release, I think, June something. So if this video comes out before June 5th or whatever, they're out. This colorway, I don't know when this colorway is coming out. It's been delayed like crazy. I think the only place these have released is Australia. I could be wrong as of right now, but resale on these is sub 200, I think, in most sizes. I got my pair for about $210 shipped off of GOAT. So not a bad price for a pair that I knew I was gonna pay market for anyway. I'm just kind of surprised at how low the market is right now for them. The box price isn't listed on here because it is an international release. I think that it's a $110 shoe. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm a big fan of this. Even though it does have the brown swoosh, I would have liked to see a black swoosh or something a little bit different. But overall, I'm a huge fan of these, and these are gonna be on foot by the end of the week. So let me know what you think of the FREE-99. Let me know if you like the black pair better. I much prefer these over the black pair, but they're both very good. They're both very fun releases that I'm extremely excited to see Nike putting out. So thanks again to Tristan for the shirt. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching this video. It is much appreciated. I appreciate everything that's going on around me. The air I breathe, my water, which is across the room, and I really want it right now. So I'm probably gonna end the video soon. But yeah, here's the FREE-99 dunks. Keep your eyes peeled. There's really not much release information on these. I mean, the black pair was supposed to release in like April or something like that, and they got pushed back to June. So Nike releases are just a mess right now, and this is no different. So hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it a big amount, a large amount. Remember to keep sneakers fun like this one, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.